Want floors that pay for themselves? Oh, thank you. Some options return over 118% at resale. Others can actually hurt your home's value. In this video, we'll walk through the best flooring for resale value, so you can make a smart upgrade that buyers will love. Coming up, I'll show you which flooring types consistently increase your home's resale value and why some don't, and how today's buyer actually think about flooring based on real-world feedback from homeowners and realtors I work with on a daily basis. And the number one flooring upgrade I recommend if you want a great ROI without overspending. But let's start here. Why flooring plays a bigger role in resale than most homeowners realize. Most people focus on kitchens, paint colors, and staging, but floors, they're the first thing buyers walk on, and they leave a lasting impression. If they're outdated, mismatched, or worn down, buyers start mentally deducting from your asking price the second they walk in the house. Let's bring this to life with a story. We had a client that decided to put their Raleigh home on the market. They decluttered and staged each room to perfection for the upcoming open house. But when the weekend open house came around, they were disappointed by the feedback they got from the buyers. The floors look outdated, there are too many types of flooring, doesn't feel cohesive, and some even said I'd have to replace these floors right away. Despite the compliments on their decor and the home's layout, buyers kept circling back to the floors. Some even left before seeing the entire house, and their agent admitted that the mismatched, worn-down floors were turning off otherwise interested buyers. That's when they called us. We helped them pick a warm-toned laminate floor that tied the whole main floor together, and on their second floor, we replaced all their worn-out carpets with new durable carpet. The installation was quick and hassle-free, and suddenly, the whole house felt more modern and more expensive than it actually was. At the very next open house, they got a completely different reaction. Buyers were saying things like, "Wow, these floors are gorgeous," or "We could see ourselves living here." They got multiple offers and sold their home for $10,000 above the listing price, and it all started with upgrading the floors. Alright, now let's talk about will floors increase your home's resale value in 2025, and probably for the next few years to come. First up, solid and engineered hardwood. The timeless premium hardwood is still the gold standard for resale, especially in main living areas, dining rooms, and upscale homes. According to a survey conducted by the National Wood Flooring Association, 99% of real estate agents agree that homes with hardwood floors are easier to sell, and 90% say they sell for more money. Engineered hardwood still gives you that same upscale look, but holds better to moisture and is easier to install. And if your home already has hardwood floors, refinishing them is usually the smartest investment you can make. Number two is laminate. It's a more budget-friendly upgrade that is very high quality. Laminate is much better than it used to be. It's now water resistant, extremely durable, and it looks amazing. It's a smart upgrade from carpet or sheet vinyl, especially in rental properties or budget-conscious homes. Buyers love this option because if they have pets or children, they don't have to worry about the wear and tear of their new floors. Number three on the list is luxury vinyl plank or LVP. It's the next best flooring for resale value. LVP is dominating the market right now, and for a good reason. It's waterproof, scratch resistant, and looks very similar to hardwood. Buyers love it because it's low maintenance and it's pet and kid friendly. And here's the truth. It offers a strong return on investment, usually around 70 to 80%, and it also helps homes sell faster. I see it all the time. Swapping out old carpet or tile for new LVP, it instantly modernizes a space. Plus, it's quick to install, and there are tons of styles to choose from. Number four is tile. Best for kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Tile, especially porcelain or ceramic, is great for wet areas. It's durable, water resistant, and it tells buyers this place was built right. But it's not ideal in living spaces. It feels cold and hard underfoot, and some buyers see it as outdated outside of kitchens and baths. Still, if used in the right rooms, it's a solid investment with a decent return. Number five, the final thing on the list is carpet. The resale risk with carpet is tricky. Most buyers see it as a negative unless it's brand new, neutral colored, and only in the bedrooms. Carpet traps allergens and odors, and if it's stained or worn, people assume the whole house hasn't been cared for. So if you're thinking about reselling your home, You should never keep your old carpet. Always replace it before you put your home on the market, and that will increase the chance of you selling your home for a lot more money and a lot faster. Now that you know which flooring can boost your home's value, watch this video next. It covers the key things you need to know before spending a dime on new flooring. You'll save you time, stress, and a lot of money.